Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am with you with the second chapter of 10th class, and the chapter is the Chinese New Year, and this is my second lecture related to this chapter. In this chapter I will give you the complete description of all the passages, and I will give you the summary of all the passages. I will give you the complete, the important words from all the passages with their complete grammatical description, and inshallah ta'ala you will easily be able to analyze this chapter as you have never analyzed it before. Now I am coming to give you the theme of this chapter. This chapter has been written out to give you the importance of festivals, the importance of happiness, the moments of happiness in the life of the nation, of our country. I am going to tell you how Chinese are going to celebrate their New Year and which type of festival is it for Chinese. China is our very best friend in all the communities of the world, and with this country our relations are very good, so it is very helpful for us to understand the festivities of China, and it will be very interesting as well. So now I am coming towards the first passage. The first passage is over here on the screen, and in this passage the writer is going to tell us that Chinese give strong importance towards their New Year coming, and they arrange many festivities, they gathered and they give gifts to each other, and all these preparations are just to wish the good luck for the coming year. They want that the coming year will be a package of luck and happiness for all of us, and for this reason they celebrate their new year in a lush, enjoyable and festive way. In this chapter, every passage will give you a complete description about the celebrations of the Chinese New Year. Here on the screen in front of you are the most important words from this passage. The first word is celebrate. It is a verb and its synonym is perform or praise. The family gathered to celebrate the Christmas. The second word is lunar, and it is an adjective. Planetary is its synonym. Clouds drifted away from a full moon, drenching the patio with soft lunar light. The third word is gathering. It is a noun. Meeting is its synonym. Her chest heaved and her eyes stung with gathering tears. Symbolic, it is an adjective. Significant is its synonym. The sharing of the wine has symbolic meanings. Festive, it is an adjective. Joyful is its synonym. The house looks very festive during the holidays. Traditional, it is an adjective. Conventional is its synonym. He wanted her to stay home and be the traditional wife. Now I am coming towards the block question. The block question is over here on the screen in front of you. Why is Chinese New Year on the same day each other? Never on the same day each year. Sorry, again I am going to read this question. Why is Chinese New Year never on the same day each year? Since the Chinese lunar calendar is based on the moon, which has a shorter cycle than the sun, so Chinese year is never on the same day each year. Okay students, now I am coming towards the second passage related to the unit Chinese New Year. Here is a very important celebration related to the chapter, that they going to prepare themselves to clean their house and to buy new clothes. This is not a very important thing, so why this has been mentioned in this unit? The main purpose to mention this thing in the unit is to tell us that the cleaning of the house means that they clean their house with the belief that we are throwing out all the bad lucks from our house, and we are going to prepare our house to accept all the happiness and all the lucks in itself. So they clean their house with this thought, and they wish to have all the lucks and all the happiness in their life, and with the same wish they buy out new clothes and they put out all their old things and the things which are not related to the happiness and which don't have a good memory in their life. So they pick out all the things and throw them out of their houses so that they can bring and they can fill their house with only with happiness, and no any type of grief and sorrow will be around them in the when their new year is going to come. Here on the screen you can see the most important words from this passage. The first word is prior. It is an adjective. Earlier is its synonym. I had witnessed his reaction the prior night. Customary. It is an adjective. Traditional is its synonym. It is customary to hold the door open for someone who is entering a building behind you. Encouraged. Adjective. Inspired is its synonym. But today, prayed is encouraged by specialization. Warding off, it is a verb, and defend, it is a synonym. In the winter, I take vitamin C to ward off colds. Now I am coming towards the block question. Block question is over here on the screen. What is Chinese belief about cleaning house before New Year Day? As I have told you before, Chinese belief about cleaning house before New Year Day to clear out any bad luck from the previous year and to make the house ready to accept good luck for the coming year. Okay students, now I am coming towards the third passage. This passage is totally based upon the entertaining events that are related to Chinese New Year, and these events are not so much precious and not so much uncommon. We also decorate our houses, we also clean our houses, but we don't have such type of thinking, which thinking is present in the minds of Chinese when they are going to decorate and when they are going to clean their houses. This passage over here on the screen is going to tell you that they decorate their house and they hang out a special type of word outside the entrance of their houses, and this word is fu, which means luck, and they want to enter all type of lucks and happiness in their house. So every work is going to be handled out just to give the way to luck and happiness, and they want to throw out all type of bad lucks from their life. The most important words from this passage are over here on the screen. The first word is luck. It is a noun and its meaning is blessing. Only luck had kept her from joining her family today. Commonplace, it is an adjective. Usual is its synonym. It became a commonplace to say that he was put to death for an error of judgment. There is no block question related to this passage. Okay students, now I am coming towards the next passage. The next passage is over here on the screen, and in this passage the Chinese are going to arrange a feast for themselves, for their relatives, and at this dinner, this is the eve dinner of the Chinese New Year, and at this dinner all the Chinese people, they gathered out their relatives and they make almost 8 to 9 dishes. Why they make so many dishes to entertain their guests? Yes, they made these dishes because they think that the word 8 means prosperity. The word 8 is associated with luck and happiness. So this thing is very important in their life, that all the things that are associated with luck and happiness are going to join out at the coming of the new year of Chinese family. But we are not going to do such type of things in our life, because we are the Muslims and we have the strong belief that in the remembrance of Allah, the very luck and the happiness is secreted out. So here on the screen you can see the most important words from this passage. Partake, it is a word. Share is its synonym. The feast is ready but no one has come to partake of it. Specific, it is an adjective. Particular is its synonym. It is easy to identify specific crimes and follow them up. Prosperity, it is a noun. Success is its synonym. Prosperity can happen anywhere. Long lasting, it is an adjective. Lifelong is its synonym. This lipstick gives long lasting rich color. Now I am coming towards the block question. Why does this dinner consist of 8 or 9 dishes? The dinner consists of 8 or 9 dishes because in Chinese language the word 8 means prosperity and 9 means long lasting. Okay student, in the next passage, passage number 5 is over here on the screen in front of you, and in this passage there is a very interesting event and very interesting custom of Chinese nation is over here in this passage, that they deliver the gifts, and in these gifts there is a good luck for all the relatives and for all the guests that are coming to their homes. They exchange these gifts within the family also. The very important thing is that they have to open these gifts when they return to their home, and these gifts especially given out to unmarried people to wish them luck and prosperity towards the coming year. All the things that are going to happen out is a way towards luck and prosperity, and this is the reason I think so that their belief comes true, and this nation is among the most prosper nations of the world. So now over here on the screen, the most important words from the passage. Recipient, it is a noun. Receiver is its synonym. He has also been the recipient of many foreign orders. Giver, it is a noun. Donor is its synonym. He loves you, a special love for the cheerful giver. Okay students, now I am coming towards the next passage. The next passage is over here on the screen, and in this passage there is a very important characteristic of the festival of Chinese New Year, that they symbolize their New Year with a bunch of animals, and they symbolize that these traits and these characteristics will be present down there in their coming year. So they symbolize these animals. They have gathered out the group of 12 animals, and these animals are the zodiac signs of their coming years, and they believe that these animals are sacred, and this is their religious belief, and they put it a heed attention towards it, this belief. The important words are over here on the screen in front of you. Associated, it is a verb. Linked, it is its synonym. Everyone associated with your target is a weak point. Zodiac, it is a noun. Prediction is its synonym. The whole subject of the history of zodiac is very obscure. Particular, it is a noun. Specific is its synonym. She had no particular concerns about that part. Traits, it is a noun. Characteristic is its synonym. I don't know what traits you look for in beef, cattle, but they look healthy. Here is a block question related to this passage over here on the screen. Is Chinese belief about people having character traits of animals a fact or an opinion? It is an opinion, not a fact. It is because belief and has nothing, it is a baseless belief and has nothing to do with people having character traits of animals. Okay students, now I am coming towards the last passage of this unit, and in this passage they are saying us that the last thing is that the whole family joined at the same place, and they recall all the memories that are passed away in the previous year, and they prepare themselves to reinvigorate and to rejuvenate the new year which is coming. So students, this complete chapter gives you the complete festivity of the celebration of the new year for Chinese, but this festivity gives you a message that the whole of the theme of their celebration is to celebrate this festivity with the thought of luck and prosperity. So we should also keep in mind good things while we are going to start something, if it is a year or if it is the beginning of the new life or if it is something else. So you should have to keep in mind that always think properly, positively, then the nation will prosper and your life will prosper positively. Here on the screen, the main important words from this passage are in order to. It is an infinitive and its synonym is for the purpose of. I went to his office to meet him. I went to his office in order to meet him. Okay, reinvigorates, it is a verb, and refresh is its synonym. If used for this purpose, flirting can reinvigorate a marriage that has grown stale. Okay students, this lecture will surely help you to grasp out and to analyze this chapter completely, as it is in front of you passage by passage with their important words and with their complete grammatical description. With the exercise of this unit, I will be with you as soon as possible, in which we will discuss the grammatical description of the exercise completely. Till then you have to wait for me. Inshallah, I will be with you as soon as possible. Allah Hafiz.